Hello everyone. Today we're talking about how to link tasks on a project. Well, to me, linking is one of the most powerful tools that you have to use when your project changes. So what do we mean by linking? So linking is connecting logical relationships among your tasks. Well, why would we do this? It provides the order of tasks we need to do, what needs to be done first, when. It allows assigning resources to those tasks. It also highlights your critical path, any lead time, lag time, and any float available on your timeline. It also allows you to compute the impact of any changes. It allows you to do what-if scenarios. That to me is where the power lies, because you can determine what would happen if we remove this critical resource. What would happen if we added more scope? What would happen if we reduced the budget? By linking your task and running these what-if scenarios, you get to see how that would impact your project. And by linking them in the what-if scenarios, it allows you to auto-shift. You don't have to do that manually, so you can run the scenarios quicker and implement those changes to your project plan quicker. So in order to do that, there are several relationship types among the tasks. So for instance, for activity B to start, activity A must finish. This is called a finish to start relationship. Here's another scenario where activity A and activity B start at the same time, and that's called a start to start relationship. And here we have activity A and activity B that finish at the same time, and that's called a finish to finish relationship. So in order to do the linking, what do we need to look at? Well, this is a project schedule network diagram. This is what it looks like when everything's linked. So you can see more pictorially how the tasks interlock together. So you can see the project starts, and then activity A, H, and K start at the same time, and you can see how the path of this project runs until it gets to the end. So in order to link your project, what do? Well, first of all, we've got to create our activity list. That includes our tasks and the cost estimates for those activities. So we take that, and then we also reference our resources and their resource calendars to see who's available and who's skilled to do those tasks. You also include the risk register, so you look at different scenarios of what would happen or what might be a potential risk, and that's how you link your project. So if you need a tool to help you link your project, then sign up for our software now at projectmanager.com.